Topics covered in surface areas and volumes. Welcome to our unit on surface areas and volumes. We will begin by reviewing the fundamental properties and formulas of basic solids, such as cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones, spheres, and hemispheres. From there, we will advance to calculating the surface area and volume of combined solids, learning how to analyze complex objects formed by joining multiple shapes. We will also explore the conversion of solids, specifically looking at how one shape can be melted and recast into another while the volume remains unchanged. After we have mastered these core mathematical principles, we will then transition to discussing their vital real-world applications, ranging from civil engineering to manufacturing and even biology. Real-world applications of surface areas and volumes. First, in architecture and civil engineering, professionals rely on these calculations to determine the precise amount of raw materials, such as concrete, steel, and paint, required for construction. This ensures both structural integrity and cost efficiency. In the fields of manufacturing and packaging, the goal is often to optimize the volume of a container while minimizing its surface area. Doing so is essential for reducing material waste and lowering shipping costs within the logistics industry. Moving to aerospace and automotive design, engineers calculate the surface area of vehicles to analyze air resistance, also known as drag, and use volume calculations to determine fuel tank capacity, which directly affects the overall range and efficiency of the craft. Finally, in medicine and biology, volume calculations are vital in pharmacology for determining accurate dosage concentrations. In biology, we study the surface area to volume ratio to understand how cells absorb nutrients and dissipate heat. Now that we have outlined the specific mathematical topics we will be exploring, let's discuss why these concepts are so important in the real world. As we move forward into our lessons, keep these practical applications in mind, as they demonstrate the true utility of the formulas we are about to master.